What's up, YouTube Bam Bam? If you've been following my channel for any length of time, you know that I recently just bought a new mountain bike. And one of the cool things about a mountain bike is that they're new, they're light, and they're super fun to ride, but they don't have a kickstand, so storage can be somewhat of a problem. I've been leaning mine up against my wife's new bike in the garage, and I accidentally scratched it the other day. So we wanted to come up with a little more permanent and better solution. So what we're gonna do today, I'm gonna take some old pallet wood scrap wood I got laying around the garage, and I'm gonna make a stand that'll hold that bike upright so it won't have to lean on anything else. So sit back, and I will show you how I'm gonna make this thing. All right, we'll talk to you soon. So as luck would have it, I had this old piece of cut off of a 2x4, and it happens to be just about the right length that I want. So I'm gonna use that length. It's 17 inches, and so I'm gonna use two pieces like that to hold the tire, and then we're gonna have 4 inches extended out on either side with some of the pallet wood. So that's gonna be the sort of the dimensions, 17 inches long, 14 inches wide. So that'll be my dimensions of this stand. So a little bit of a fail. Here's the problem. Right here, it's too wide, so there's too much play in the wheel. I'll show you as we move the bike over. So it sits in there. You just got too much wiggle room. So we're gonna go ahead and adjust that and try to make that sit a little better. You remember that old adage, measure once, measure twice, cut once? Well, I didn't do that today, but let's see if it worked the second time. Voila! All right, so that's a much tighter fit, and it'll do the job. It's still a little wonky. I think I'm probably gonna redo this design, but for now, I think it'll work, and it's just using scrap wood around the garage. So there it is. Now my son wants to paint. He has decided that all my future woodworking projects, he's going to go ahead and paint. So we're going to let him paint it. So I said my son wanted to paint it, and he got bored, and now I'm gonna have to finish it up and paint it. I didn't want to paint it. This is my I did not want to paint it face. But anyway, I think it'll look better, so we'll see how it goes. Thank you for coming out today and hanging out with me, and I hope you all are doing well and staying sane. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.